Hey guys, what's up? Take a look at this beautiful car. Welcome Mas to our place.
Yes, bro. How are you, man? You good? Rocky?
Yes.
Cheers, bro. SOP.
SOP, right, okay. Standing far away. So, what made you come here today, bro?
Okay. Actually, this is my first time tuning by Project A. Why I choose Project A? Because I got few friends kat luar tu yang main super sport car. You know, I'm not going to say this is super sport car, but before I pernah buat dengan tune other than Project A. I want to try something new, Project A. So very popular, people talk about it, you know. Handsome, good looking, the engineer. Damn it lah, bro. Girls, we go for you lah, bro. So wish all the best for my car. So it took 5 to 6 days, right?
Yeah.
A bit complicated customized the exhaust.
Yes.
So complicated, right?
Yes.
So now my horsepower is 300.
Correct.
On paper.
On paper.
So
even on engine.
Yeah. So after stage 2,
well, I'm hoping for 380. 380 upwards.
Woo!
Yep.
Okay. Good job.
Okay, so let me take you guys around the car for a second so you know what we're looking at.
Go.
So fresh from Japan, he's got this pretty new 718 Cayman. One of my favorite cars, also one of my favorite Porsches because it is actually a go-kart. It is a 4-cylinder turbo go-kart with only 2 liters, but it completely catches up to all those 6-cylinder past Caymans. So he's fitted a GT4 kit on it, and I think the quality is really, really good. Now that I take a look at these carbon fiber parts, look at the gap and the clearance, really, really good quality. Nice rims, good choice by the way, Matt. Very nice choice. Car looks neat, absolutely pristine, and I can't wait to get my hands on the software to make some more power. The biggest challenge will be the diffuser, which is basically this part here, with the 2 exhaust pipes. So we obviously have to make this mid pipe go into 2 tailpipes left and right. I'd have to look perfectly similar to that of the real GT4. That's a task. So they're going to be oval, black Cerakote finish, something that follows the original. I believe black is a good contrasting color for this car. He uses a lot of anthracite, black, he uses carbon fibers, or something like that. Something not too flamboyant. And something that matches this diffuser. Okay, here we are back again. Car's done. The exhaust has been custom made for this car to fit his valance. The valance is now not with us because we sent it to the body shop. They will fix it for us later on.
Yes.
But here you can take a look at the exhaust.
A bit weird because of the diffuser is not here. So later we're gonna fill in the diffuser. Hope for the best.
Well, we looked at it with the diffuser on. It looked very good.
Okay, Michael, I want to ask you. Just now I test drive already. I quite like the sound, because not that loud. Can you explain why you choose the sound?
Why do I choose the sound? Well,
because I leave my car to you, right?
You see the silencers here? There's each one silencer for each pipe. One coming from the left, one coming from the right. So each silencer does its job very well. We chose ones that are not too loud, that don't sound like a tin box, right?
Okay.
So these really muffle the exhaust sound to the way that to an extent that it's nice to hear.
Okay.
But don't forget, the engine is behind you, the exhaust is behind you. So as a driver, it's not so loud.
Okay.
But behind you is actually quite sporty.
Oh,
It's quite
really?
sporty. Behind you is sporty.
Okay, oh yes, because the engine is behind me.
Ah, there you go.
Yes, yeah,
Right?
I got it.
So that's why it's very subjective. When I sit in a 911, it sounds very quiet, but the exhaust is everything's behind me.
Yes.
So that's why it feels different. How about we give it a listen?
Come,
Let's start it off.
go. So excited. 5 days, right? 5 days, right? Total?
Yep.
So fast.
I think it's very sporty, very nice. And you can hear the typical boxer sound.
Then when we call it pops and bang or crackles.
Yep, pops and bangs.
Pops and bangs.
I prefer to call this crackles. It's not like bang, bang, bang.
Oh, okay.
I prefer to call this crackles. It's a bit more exaggerated than normal,
Okay, good.
but it's still mild, I think. And some of my customers wanted like gunshots, right?
Okay.
And I prefer when it sounds sporty. Not too long,
Not too long.
right? So, but when you drive, it's a bit longer because I don't play with the fuel cut. So basically what we do is we ignite the remaining fuel.
Okay.
After a run, when you step off the gas,
Okay.
the remaining fuel is the ones that makes the pops.
Okay.
But then that stops.
Okay.
Others keep on bam, 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 bam. I don't know what's going on.
Something like proton. Oh no issue, no issue.
Okay, yeah. So we've had it. You've done your test drive. What was the impression?
I can't handle because the brake. A bit paining because I forget about my stage 2 remap.
Ah.
Actually, I forgot already. So once I flow, no, this is not my car.
Yeah. It's like a whole new car.
Yeah,
It's
yeah.
really quick. And the problem is really the brakes. I totally agree. It's the first time I ever feel that a Porsche has too small brakes.
Yes, the brake is quite small.
Yeah.
So I changed already the AP Racing Radical 2.
All right.
Okay, hi guys. So I guess this is the penutup. So thank you Project A. This is my first time actually because your Project A, you know, everyone is talking about Project A nowadays. So thank you Michael and Joshua, the best tuning ever for the stage 2 and exhaust as well for the air filter. Thank you so much, I appreciate it. So 5 hari je diorang pegang my car. So yeah, I want to say I'm so excited now. See you guys soon. Mas Khan, bye.